video is about the Nord Stream pipeline that runs from Russia under the Baltic Sea to Germany and supplies all of the gas and oil for German industry. This report that I'm producing consists of a report of the known evidence which is available in the public domain, and then I have carried out some experiments to examine the data that we have and to produce data that shows that this pipeline failure could easily have been through stray currents. In order to understand this, you have to understand energy itself, the science of energy and the science of corrosion. Corrosion requires energy, metal and electrolyte, that is a chemical, and then the corrosion reaction proceeds and dissolves the metal in proportion to the amount of energy that we can measure being released from the metal into the electrolyte. Procedures that I have developed over the last 50 years allow us to actually measure this electrical energy accurately, and therefore we can calculate the amount of metal that goes into solution, and knowing the thickness of the wall of the pipeline, steel wall of the pipeline, which in this case is 1.5 inches thick, and we know that Faraday's, what do I call it? Faraday's constant says that for 1 amp of electrical energy over a period of 1 year will dissolve 17 pounds of steel. So using this we can actually calculate how much metal will go into solution and how long it will take for the North Sea pipeline to actually fail if there was sufficient stray current forcing energy off of the metal. I'm presenting this in the form of a report, a cathodic protection network report, which is in the format of a scientific paper which is used in all universities in the world, and this relies on the scientific method of analysing and examining all science. In this short video I will deal with the abstract of this report, which is the abstract of the scientific paper. We have a film of the gas bubbling out from the failed pipeline. We have reports of seismic shocks. We have films and pictures of the construction of Nord Stream pipelines, and we have speculation about the politics of the situation by Seymour Hirst. The scientific method demands that we have a hypothesis, which is an idea, and that is summarised in the abstract. The observations and case studies and reports are available from my past experience of submarine pipeline failures. The reports which are on file in Cathodic Protection Network of others experience. And then we have the evidence, which is in fact in the body of the report, and then the experiments, which are repeated demonstrations which can be observed. The analysis of the report is based on the evidence alone. Conclusions are drawn from deductions, and if there are any doubts, we must scrap each of the hypotheses that contains the doubts. We will finish up with a codified theory of what we are proposing. That's it.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. New videos every week.